Hey everyone, this is Joe with Southeastern Frontiers, and today Jacob and I and a friend are hiking the Alum Hollow Trail and the Talus Trail in the Green Mountain Nature Preserve on Green Mountain near Huntsville, Alabama. The Talus Trail starts on the plateau of Green Mountain near the parking lot and shortly begins a steep descent down into the valley. Halfway down, we encountered a beautiful spring flowing from the side of the mountain. Shortly beyond this point, we reached the end of the marked Talus Trail, but we continued, following blue ribbons on the trees to the valley bottom, and then followed a faint trail up a side valley to the amazing sink with a waterfall flowing into it. After exploring the sinkhole, we bushwhacked our way up to the Ranger Trail, which we took up to the namesake car wreck, and then on to the fascinating Alum Bluff Cave. Finally, after visiting the cave and waterfall, we returned to the trailhead by following the trail across the top of the Green Mountain Plateau. It was a warm winter day that was perfect for exploring some new trails. We're at the Green Mountain Nature Preserve's Alum Hollow Trailhead up here on Green Mountain, and we are about to start down the trail. Off we go. We want the Talus Trail, which takes a left here and heads off this way. Caution! Caution, steep, rocky trail ahead. The Talus Trail is rated difficult. Oh no. Are you an experienced hiker? Well, it's a pretty valley we're about to descend down into. Yes, Talus Trail. So talus usually means loose rocks.
Yeah, I can see that.
Here the Gibson Trail splits off, but we're going to stay on the Talus Trail and go to the left downhill. I think this here is a piece of petrified wood in this rock here. Doesn't have a great grain structure, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I hear water running, and it's clear that sometimes quite a bit of water runs through here. Very nice. Well, that's cool.
Wow.
Just coming out of the cave there. We're continuing down the Talus Trail from the spring. We just passed the connector trail that would take you across and you could start climbing back up, but we're going to go all the way down here. We just came to a sign that says trail ends. We know that very few people go beyond this. There's not a whole lot to see beyond this, but we're going to go until we kind of lose the trail. Then we'll head back up. So off we go. We'll let you know if it's worth pursuing or not. On this lower part of the trail, it's important to follow the little blue ribbons because the land trust signs have not been extended down here yet. So especially with these leaves, The trail can be a little hard to follow if they didn't have these little blue ribbons. So very helpful. All right, we have come to the bottom of the valley. Whew, I think we are going to go to the right and go up this little side valley a little bit. Nice little breeze here though. Very cool. Heading up this side valley, the trail's very challenging to follow, but there are still little blue ribbons every now and then. Surely that means there's something up here. I wouldn't put it past them. Yep. Nice. Nice limestone cliff here. Oh, I see a sign ahead.
Wait, really?
Oh man, we gotta go read the sign now.
Where?
It's in white.
Oh yeah.
Well, we found the sign. It's a land trust boundary sign, but I don't think this is the boundary of the land trust anymore. I bet this is an old boundary. I know they've purchased new land around here recently. The valley is getting difficult to navigate now.
Oh, there's ice.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
We have climbed up the valley. Gotta catch my breath here, but nice. There is a sinkhole here with water running into it. And gets quite deep off to the right over behind this tree. Very cool. And yeah, there's ice under here yet. It's 60 degrees today.
Yeah.
Very cool.
That ice is in the perfect place where you can
Shit.
never see sunlight. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to. There's no way out. Look at that. That is a big hole. Here's that ice. See if you can't get down to the waterfall. Wow. I bet that cave goes for a while. And here, oh, this is so sick. Whoa. Look at those rocks and how they're cut. Super cool. Ugh. All right. Look at how clean that is. Huh.
Oh, Jacob! What happened to leave no trace?
It was just a rock.
I'm helping the road. Yeah, it's a rock.
That was loud. That was a thick sheet of
Yeah.
ice.
Well, that's very cool.
Yeah. Very unexpected.
Yep. All right, we're just leaving the sinkhole down there. And we've decided instead of backtracking all the way down the canyon and going back up and around. We're gonna bushwhack our way up to the top of the ridge because we were essentially bushwhacking it anyway. So what the heck? This is where having GPS navigation is critical, but I think we'll be able to get through this. We're getting near civilization. You can hear people and dogs. That's the Alum Bluff up there, the Alum Cave. That's like the major feature of this nature preserve. We'll check it out in a bit. There's the Alum Bluff Cave up there, and the Ford Ranger in the foreground. There's a little water running down the creek here. Very nice. Here's Jacob trying out the Ford Ranger. Bet you could get it cheap. Yeah. I don't know how you get out of here though.
Oh man, no more gas in the car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's empty.
I wonder why.
Battery's still in it.
Is it?
Should.
Oh, good. The AC. I can turn it on. That button works.
Yeah, I'm guessing it took a fall. We've come to the end of the Wrangler Trail, which is good because man, it's steep. This is the Alum Bluff. This is all of it, I think.
Okay.
So this was used by Native Americans for thousands of years. Archaeological work has been done here. Could shelter a lot of people under this rock. You see the Ford Ranger down there in the valley. You could stay nice and dry under this rock on a stormy day.
Can you? Okay.
All right, around the corner up here, there should be a waterfall. Very nice. All right, we are returning on the Alum Hollow Trail. Along the top of the plateau up here, there are some nice viewpoints. Especially in the winter when most of the leaves are off the trees, so you can actually see out through them. It's very pretty. Now that we're on top of the plateau, the trail is very flat and smooth, easy going. Did you see it?
It just ran right in front of us.
It's standing right here looking at us. Wow, so many trail signs. But in this case, we're going to cross the bridge here over the creek.
Wow.
From this viewpoint, you can see down the valley and all the way out to the Tennessee River out there. If I can get the tree up from being in our way. That light colored glow out there, that's the Tennessee River. We just came up to the other end of the Ranger Trail, which goes off that way. I'm not going to do it again. Not today. All right, we have come back to where we started on the Talus Trail. Going off that way. That was quite the loop. We are almost back to the parking lot. See the cars going by out there. We are back to the Alum Hollow trailhead. Thanks for coming along with us today. It was a good time.